Hello.
Welcome back.
It's a special time of year for boxes, right, Allison?
It sure is.
We've got some that came right from under our holiday tree, and we are ready to unpack them now. It's going to be very, very nice. I'm very excited to see what's inside. You want to go first? I have one here. You have one there.
We could do it in tandem.
I'm ready.
'Tis the season.
We'll do a simultaneous remote digital flick. Ready? 3,
Okay.
2, 1, flick. And now we can measure the delay of zoom from that difference. I open all my Christmas presents with a switch flick knife.
Yeah.
That'd be pretty badass. Oh, it's from Amazon.com. I'm gonna keep going.
Apparently mine's from U-Haul.
Somebody's moved recently. Okay, let's see what's in store. Hey, ooh, look inside here.
What's in yours, David?
I don't know, Allison. Looks like some type of bag.
Mine
Oh,
has some
heck,
type of
yeah.
bag too.
Look at that. It says Carhartt. It is a Carhartt tool bag.
Not only can this
Almost.
fit your tools, it can also fit one's 16-inch MacBook Pro.
It's a very nice bag. You can fit all your tools vertically in on the sides of it. And here's the thing, even though it seems like we don't go anywhere, we're all in different places all the time. So we need to take our tools with us. Our tools need to be mobile. The workshop goes where you go, even though you don't go that many places. You need to have the workshop with you. You can't just be at the workshop anymore. Fill this up with masks and gloves. And oh wait, I think there's something hiding inside. What are you finding in there, Allison?
This little gift inside.
There's something very special in here that needs to be shown. So this can just tear like a pouch. Flip. Thank you very much. Here, let me show this to you, Allison. I don't know if you've seen one of these up close before, but look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that beautiful knife.
Oh my goodness, the unboxing possibilities.
Okay, and look at this. So I'm just going to show you, just press down on this with your thumb, slide it out like that. And then it clicks right in there. Oh, I cannot tell you how satisfying that is. This is incredibly sharp, and it even can press down. In fact, there's a right and left-handed version of this because which way your thumb goes depends on, you need that grippy part there. This is actually the lefty version that I have here in my hand. But wait.
Well, then I probably have the righty version.
Then you have some exchange to do because you're a lefty. But check this out. Okay, here, special reveal. Ready? What? It says Loop Unbox. So this is a special edition Loop Unbox CW&T utility knife, and everybody in our team is going to get one of these so that they can Loop Unbox their Amazon packages at home. But that's not all. We have a book called Shape Up. Ryan Singer, our man Ryan Singer, who we love, and we directly copy his amazing work. If you want to learn how to execute projects like we do at Loop, just read this book because we basically copy exactly everything that's in here. So read it again. Same thing with the practice, Seth Godin. You may remember that guy with this sort of the bald dude with the skinny glass. He looks kind of like Moby, and he like talks in quippy things. He talks about creative practice. We have a creative practice. We make things. We have an audience. We talk, why do we do it? I read this book. It's amazing. Everybody should read it. You should know if you're running a creative practice, and you should think about it and work on it explicitly. It'll help you be better at being more creative. Do it, learn. And lastly, boom, Spot. This is amazing. Love him, love him.
Doesn't it feel so comfortable?
The lines and the art on this are just so pretty. Just check that out.
Yeah.
Who wouldn't want to rock that? Thanks for the virtual togetherness and belonging, Allison. And thanks to all the team who will be getting all this wonderful stuff and thanks to all of them for kicking ass and being amazing. Yeah, so happy holidays. Good riddance to 2020. We'll see you next time.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Get out.
All right, everybody, flick. Now that everybody has the bag, go ahead and open it up and see what's inside.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
There's more inside that's hiding. Okay, everybody knows what Shape Up is. If you don't, then why are you on this call? No, just kidding. Enjoy. And then there's one more in there. Be careful. It's not safe for children. Yeah, and thank you all for being here and being wonderful.
Thanks, team.
Thank you.
Thank you.